Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and well, recently I've been picking some pretty tough locks, and whilst they're fun in their own way, they can also be a little bit tiring, a little bit exhausting, a little bit mentally tiring. And when I was thinking about what I'd like to pick for a video this week, I just got drawn to this because it's just a fun lock, and sometimes you need that. Sometimes you need that lock which is just fun. It's maybe not hard, but it's kind of kooky, it's kind of cool. It just makes you kind of fall in love with simple picking again. And for me, that's what locksport is about. It's not about how difficult the lock is. It's not chasing those unicorn locks. It's actually, how much am I enjoying this? Is it a fun puzzle, even if it's not a hard puzzle? Sometimes you want to watch a film which is silly and fun, not a a 10-part epic. Different days for different moods, I guess. Anyway, this lock was kindly sent to me by Rubber Band, who you'll know as a member of the community, a locksporter, lockpicker, locksmith, and owner of Hooligan Keys website as well. And he sent me this lock, and it's a Wise Lock clone. I believe it's a Japanese one, and this is the only pin lock that I have. Now, it might only have one pin, but that pin is pin. So if you had a multi-lock classic, for example, you'd have 5 driver pins, and those would all be pin. So I guess you could call it a 10-pin lock if you really want to go down that route. But it's a 5 pin lock. This is a 1 pin lock. And you can see down here that you got pin. So essentially 3 concentric pins, and that's the key pins you can see there, and the driver pins are this side. If I get the key and open it up, you'll see, so the bitting is this, so outer, middle, inner, and it pushes on those. It's literally a push and turn, and you can see there the corresponding driver pins there. Now, as you pick it, depending on which one you pick first, if you pick the outer one first, you'll see the shackle, this split shackle, I guess, move in, because of course it'll be resting against the next concentric pin, and it'll carry on like that. It's a really just a fun, really awesome lock. Now, also interesting, there doesn't seem to be that many key differs either. I was on a forum. They were talking about these types of locks. I took a picture of mine, and they said, "Oh, mine actually has the same key." Literally, it had the same key. And these were locks obviously bought. This is somebody in different parts of the world to me as well. So bought in different parts of the world, but still have the same key bitting there. And you see it says 242, and those numbers aren't very high. So that makes me think that there really aren't that. If that's 2, 4, and 2. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, but that signifies to me there aren't that many key differs anyway. Right, what do we need to pick it? Well, a tension tool and a very thin probe. Why thin? Because if we get the light down in here, you'll see that I have to be able to push one of these concentric rings in at the same time without pushing the other ones like that. See? So a really thin probe. This is a Picology pick, which actually is a broken key extractor, which I snipped the end off because I didn't need a broken key extractor, and it's been a brilliant little probe to have. Now, tensioning, really easy. Just put some tension on like that. There we go. Just medium to light tension, and then you find the binder. Nothing in the middle, nothing nothing in the inner, nothing in the middle. Outer therefore must need to be picked, so let's push on that. I'll do it from the top. Nice little click. And I don't know whether you saw that this lock body, or I guess the split shackle, move in a bit. Let's try the next one. So try the middle. Tiny click, and we just moved a tiny bit as well. Now the center all the way. And are we open? Not quite. We obviously caught up on a pin somewhere, so we just need to tap whatever seems to be caught up, and it was the center one, and we're open. And again, you can see down here you've got those sprung driver pins there, if you want to call them that, which is held in by this lock body. Just so cool. Absolutely love this. Brilliant little lock. Love owning it. It's a great little pick. Super fun. Very cute and kooky. I hope you like it. If you do, leave a like. If you have a comment, leave a comment. I read them all, I reply to as many as I can. And if you like content like this, want to see more of it, then I'd really appreciate you subscribing. It really helps my channel out. And of course, I'll see you all next time.